Hi kids, how are you? I hope all are fine. All of you welcome to our online class. This year also we are going to learn through online class. Isn't it? All are ready? Okay. Today we are going to discuss English. Hearty welcome to our English class. Today's class we are going to discuss our first unit. Before that, just I want to introduce our books. For English you have 3 books. First book, Honeycomb. Honeycomb, that is the name of our textbook. Except Honeycomb and supplementary reader and workbook is there. Likewise, your last year also you had this type of 3 books, isn't it? And today's class we are going to learn first lesson in our Honeycomb. The lesson title is 3 questions. I know that most of the students didn't get textbook. Anyway, let us start our class without making further delay. It is written by Leo Tolstoy. Have you heard about the writer? Yes, he is a very famous English writer, Leo Tolstoy, and he has written this story, 3 questions. By reading the title of the story, I think that you won't feel any difficulty. It is a mere words, 3 questions, familiar words itself. But we can understand that these words, 3 questions, it has unique importance in our lesson itself. Okay. And we can see the main character of the story is a king. And the king actually, in his mind there are 3 questions are there. So he was worried. He wanted to get correct answers for these 3 questions. Why did the king wanted to get answers for the 3 questions? Because he blindly believed that if he knew answers, these 3 answers, he would never fail in his life. He blindly believed so. So, being a king, he used his power and he wanted to get answers. So, he sent messengers throughout the kingdom. And before that, let us see what are the questions haunted the king. Okay, let us see. The first question is, I already written on the board, you can see, what is the right time to begin something? That is the first question in his mind. He wanted to get an answer for it. And what is the meaning of that one? What is the right time to begin? Being a king, he has to practice a lot of things in his kingdom. അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഒരു കിങ് ആയിരിക്കും, അയാളുടെ കിങ്ഡത്തിൽ, അയാളുടെ രാജ്യത്ത് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. ആ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് ഏറ്റവും ബെസ്റ്റ് ടൈം, he wanted to know what is the right time to do something. ഏറ്റവും നല്ല സമയം എന്താണ് എന്നാണ് അയാൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അയാളുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അതാണ്. Second question, which people should he listen? Many kind of people are there in his kingdom. Whom should he listen first? To whom he has given priority. ആരെയാണ് അയാൾ കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടതായിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്നാണ് സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. One more question in his mind. What is the next question? Third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുത്ത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതായിട്ടുള്ള for which work he has to concentrate more. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത് ഏത് വർക്കിലാണ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. These are the 3 questions in his mind. And what did he do? King, anyway, he wanted to get answers. എന്ത് റിസ്ക് എടുത്തിട്ടായാലും king wanted answers for these 3 questions. So he sent messengers. What is the meaning of messenger? Yes, one who carries message. So he sent messengers throughout the kingdom. And he already promised one reward also. A person who brings the correct answer, he was ready to give a sum, actually a reward itself. ആരാണോ ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നത്, and he was ready to give reward for that person. After that, what happened? He got many people came there. Many people came with the answers. But king was not satisfied. Why king was not satisfied? Because a lot of people came there with different answers for different questions. For the first question itself, king got many answers. King was really confused and he was not satisfied in it. And for the second question also, he got a lot of answers. Different answers, many answers he received. For the third question, same. Likewise, the same thing we can see in the case of third situation also. And let us see what are the answers he got for the first question. For the first question, somebody told it is for knowing the best time to do something. Right time ഏതാണെന്നാണല്ലോ കിങ്ങിന് അറിയേണ്ടത്. It is better, king, you have to prepare a timetable. ഇപ്പോൾ കിങ്ങിന് കിട്ടിയ ഒരു ആൻസർ എന്താണ്? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ some people already suggested so. കുറച്ച് ആളുകൾ സജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാണ് prepare a timetable. So no need to worry about knowing the best time. And some others told that you have to avoid foolish pleasures. Don't spend more time for foolish pleasures, and you have to concentrate which one is necessary to do. എന്താണ് necessary ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? For that one you have to give more concentration. And some others told you need a council. Council meaning I already given here, a group of people chosen to give correct advice, to give advice to king itself. Our council you have to form. In that council many counselors are there, many able persons are there. Advice കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരുപാട് ആളുകളുടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിനെയാണ് കൗൺസിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So you have to make a council. And some others told it is better you have to you have to visit a magician. A magician can only suggest which is the right time. So different answers he got, isn't it? And the king is not satisfied. And for the second question also, he got a different answers. Whom should I have to listen more? ആരെയാണ് ഞാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ടത്? ഏത് തരത്തിലുള്ള ആളുകൾക്കാണ് ശ്രദ്ധ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്? എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് ആൻസർ കിട്ടിയത്? You have to listen counselors, you have to listen priest. Some others told you have to give more important, you have to consider priest. Priest means a holy persons, someone engaged in religious work. പുരോഹിതന്മാരെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ കൗൺസിലേഴ്സിനാണ്, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അഡ്വൈസ് തരുന്ന കൗൺസിലേഴ്സിനെ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, പ്രീസ്റ്റിനെ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. പിന്നെ എന്താണ്? In your kingdom you have to give more important to doctors. And some others told you have to, being a king, you should give more important to soldiers, no doubt. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ കിങ്ഡത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും വേണ്ടപ്പെട്ട ആളുകൾ ആരാണ്? സോൾജിയേഴ്സ്. So different answers he got. And likewise in the case of third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? എന്ത് പ്രവൃത്തിക്കാണ് കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ്? ഏത് ഫീൽഡിനാണ് കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? സയൻസ്, ഫൈറ്റിംഗ്, റിലീജിയസ് വർഷിപ്പ്. റിലീജിയസ് വർഷിപ്പ് നമുക്കറിയാം, നമ്മൾ ഡിവോട്ടീസിനെ, ഹോളി പേഴ്സൺസിനെയൊക്കെയുള്ള വർഷിപ്പ്, ആരാധിക്കുന്ന മതപരമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ്. Some others told science, others told you have to, being a king, you have to give more important to fighting. So king was really in dilemma. Anyway, he was not ready to accept these different answers. What did he do after that? After that, he decided to visit a holy person. Who is that one? A hermit. Hermit means actually a person who lives in a lonely place and he is leading a simple life. വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് ലൈഫ് ലീഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഹോളി പേഴ്സൺ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹെർമിറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ഹെർമിറ്റിനെ കാണാൻ തീരുമാനിക്കുകയാണ് നമ്മളുടെ കിങ്. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡേ ഹി ഡിസൈഡഡ് ടു വിസിറ്റ് ഹെർമിറ്റ്. And in which manner he started his journey. And we know that hermit, being a simple man, he didn't know, he didn't familiar with the king and this type of rich people. So what did he do? What did the king do? King wore ordinary clothes. Otherwise we can say king disguised himself. King വേഷം മാറിയിട്ട് ആരുടെ അടുത്തേക്ക് പോകുന്നത്? ഹെർമിറ്റിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക്. And on the way he left his bodyguard and his horse and he went alone and he reached hermit's hut. Hermit is living in a lonely place nearby a wooden area, and we know that he is a very wise person. Very wise person. Why did king decide to visit hermit? Because he knows about hermit. Hermit is a wise person and he believed that being a wise person, hermit may be able to answer my questions. അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിന് ഇനി ആൻസർ തരാൻ ആര് ഏബിൾ ആണ്? ഹെർമിറ്റ്. So he decided to visit hermit. And when he reached the hut, what did he see there? He noticed that he saw that he was actually hermit was very old and weak person. Even if he is digging, he is doing hard work. And so, first of all, by seeing our king, hermit greeted him. നമ്മുടെ കിങ്ങിനെ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് വിഷ് ചെയ്തു. After that, hermit continued his digging. Without stopping his work, he continued his digging. വർക്ക് ഒന്നും നിർത്താണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ hermit continue ചെയ്യാണ് വർക്ക്. At that time, by realizing the pathetic situation of our hermit, king already told that I was ready to do your work. So hermit already hand over the spade. Spade namukariam because he is making beds there. Beds means small patches of the ground for planting plants. നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലൊക്കെ കിള കീറുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം അത് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് നമ്മളുടെ hermit. So he hand over. When king asked a spade, hermit without hesitation, king hermit already hand over the spade and allowed king to continue digging. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡിഗിങ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മുടെ കിങ്ങിന് പെർമിഷൻ കൊടുത്തു. And king was doing. And at that time we know that king already wore ordinary dress itself. And king already reached there and he repeated his questions to hermit. Which are the questions? These 3 questions. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മുടെ കിങ് ഒന്ന് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. I came here for getting answers. Hermit, please give me answers for these questions. And what happened? Hermit listened the questions, but hermit did not give an answer. Hermit listened to the king. വളരെ വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് കേട്ടു, but he did not give an answer. Question കേട്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞു, ആൻസർ കൊടുക്കാൻ റെഡി ആയോ? No. Without giving answer, hermit continued his work. And after that, our king was ready to continue the remaining work. And hours passed. Late evening. Now it is the late evening. That time, king realized the time itself. Once again, he repeated the question. Hermit, for what purpose I reached here? For what purpose king reached there? For getting answers, isn't it? So he repeated, Hermit, you please give me answers for my questions. But hermit, at that time also, hermit was not at all ready to give the answer. And that time, hermit told another thing. What hermit told? Here comes someone running. Here comes someone running to their area itself. That is the sentence already told by our hermit. നമ്മുടെ hermit എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? You please listen. Someone is approaching. Someone is coming here. You listen that one. ആരോ ഒരാൾ ഇവിടേക്ക് ഓടി വരുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ hermit കിങ്ങിന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധയിൽ പെടുത്തുന്നത്. And for our first lesson, there are 3 sections are there. 3 sections are there. Today's class we discussed only first section only we discussed. Understand? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Simple lesson. I think that without textbook you may have some difficulty to follow. Anyway, you have to you can ask a doubt clearance time. You can ask, and just you have to go through this word meanings, vocabularies from our discussed portion. Difficult word with its meaning I already written on this board. So you have to read it and try to make understand.